Basic Concepts of Chemistry, Part 3. In today's video, we will be discussing the topics about scientific notation and a significant digit. So, do you know what scientific notation is? Scientific notation means the exponential notation of a number. It means your number should be in the form of n into 10 raised to n. Here the small n should be negative or positive anything. Now, how to convert into scientific notation? First of all, let us take one example. Now here is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's my number. Now what I will have to do? These capital N should have a number where a point should be there after one digit only. So over here I need to shift the point. For example, if 7 is over, for example, I can say that here point should be there, right? Rather I would say, if I am having a digit 10, it simply means 10 point, right? So over here the point should be there. Now let us denote by another pen so that you can be very clear. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? So I am shifting my points to left side 5 times. So over here I need to write 10 raised to 5. Now in the next one, the first digit over here is 5. So I need to shift the point. So whenever I am shifting the point, it is 7 times. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here I am shifting the point to right side. Here I am denoting by minus. So whenever you are shifting the point to left side, it should contain plus, and right side it should contain minus. Why is it so? Because see, this is a bigger number, this is a smaller number. When I am going to convert big to small, now we don't want to change the value. So what I am doing here, I am writing 10 raised to something. So small need to convert it into big, so I need to multiply something. That is why it is raised to 5. Now let us see how we are doing addition of scientific notations. Now see, these are the two numbers. Step 1 to check is your 10 raised to n digit should be same whenever you are dealing with addition or subtraction. Here it is already seen given. So here what I am doing, I am taking these both as a common factor and simply 2.567 plus 578.78. So here the answer is 570.347 into 10 raised to 5. Now just pause the video and write this into a scientific notation. I need to convert that into 5.70. Clear? Why? Because in scientific notation, point should come after one digit only. So this is the answer of addition, but I need to convert. So 5.70347 multiply by, what should it be? 10 raised to something it should come. So let us see what it should come. Here I am shifting my point to left side. So let's see our previous slide. What we were doing according to left side, it was plus. So here it is 10 raised to 2. Why it is 10 raised to 2? Because I am shifting point 2 times only. Now what to do with this? See over here. Here there are 10 raised to 2 into 10 raised to 5. So according to law of indices, these both should be added. Why? Because multiplication sign is there. So your actual answer over here becomes 5.70347 into 10 raised to 7. Clear? Now what to do if subtraction is there? It should be same as addition. But what to do when there are two different sign of 10 raised to n, that is two different values of n in the power. So I need to convert that. Remember one thing, maximum number can be converted into minimum always. Either it is minus or it is plus. So here, which is a big one, 10 raised to minus 6. So I am writing it minus 5 and minus 1. Why? Because according to law of indices. Now, this is my number and these I want it. So these both number, that is 500.5 into 10 raised to minus 1 should be multiplied. So how we'll be doing it? This is things of lower standards, that is 500 upon 5 upon 10. 10 raised to minus 5 means upon 10. So I am shifting the point. So it is 50.05. Now the number becomes same, taking out common, and after that just doing a subtraction. See over here, here also I need to move my point from right to left, right? Why is it so? Right to left. See, my number is 450.45. So I need to write 450, right? So 45045. So it should be 10 raised to 2. Why? Because 2 points I have shifted to left, and over here it is 10 raised to minus 5. So ultimately my answer becomes 45045 into 10 raised to. These becomes minus 3. Done. Now one thing is about, see, this is subtraction 1 which we have already done, right? Now in last video we done with a power having negative digit. Now here we are going to solve a sum with power with positive digit. Same thing over here, 10 raised to 5 and 1. If anything is multiplied by 10, then you have to do the shift the point to right side, and now just do the subtraction. The answer comes in minus, and here it is 10 raised to 5. Again here it is 4504.5. So I need to shift the point 3 times to left. So it is 10 raised to minus 3. Sorry, it is 10 raised to plus 3. So ultimately my answer becomes minus 4.045 into 10 raised to 8. Now let's see what we do in multiplication. In addition and subtraction, there was a rule that this power notation should be seen. Here it is not so. Here just you have to multiply this both, and according to law of indices just add 10 raised to 11, and these number according to the rule convert it into a standard scientific form where it should be in the form of x point yz or etc. Why is it so? Because the point should come after one digit. This is as what we have done in addition and subtraction. In division also there is no rule that it should be same. So just divide the digits. Simple, divide the digits, that is 2.2 upon 1.1, right? That is 2.2 upon 1.1 into 10 raised to 5 minus 4. So it is 2 into 10 raised to 1. Clear? It is already in a scientific digit. Why? Because I am having 2.0 into 10 raised to 1. Complete. You should not write 20 over here. Why is it so? Because according to scientific notation I want in this form. Now in scientific notation, for example, we can see over here that I got answer this one, right? 4.5045. Now there may be many numbers after point, there may be many numbers after that. So what we want is another concept is significant digit. First of all, we'll see the rules, right? Significant means the digit having importance in the number, which is having value in the number. For example, the first rule, every non-zero digit are insignificant everywhere. You can see over here 285 is there, so it is having 3 significant digit. 0.25, two significant digit. Point indicate decimal form, but here we are not to deal with a decimal form. Here we are going to deal with significant digit. The zero preceding the first non-zero digit are not significant. Means if any of the digit is the first one, before that, however how many number of zero you put it is not significant, right? You have to start from a digit itself that should not be zero. So here it is one significant digit, here two significant digit. But if your zero is between two digits, then you have to consider all. For example, 7 significant digits are present. The last thing that is I have considered is this much. Now, 0 at the end or right of the number are significant, provided they are on the right side of decimal. For example, I can say, if I write only 200, significant digit is 1. If I write 200.0, right? Is it so? Because 0 at the end or right of the number are significant, provided, see the condition, provided they are on the right side of decimal. If it is on the right side of decimal, any of the 0 is there, then these whole things should be considered as significant. Clear? Now in your numerical part, you will be asked that do the addition of a significant digit. It is very easy thing. For example, I am having these three numbers, 2.1, 4.34 and 1.456. Here one significant digit, here 2 and here 3. Now I'll do a simple addition. My simple addition answer is this one. That is, my simple addition answer is 7.896. Right? Now, in addition, what is the rule? The least number after decimal must be considered. Here significant digit is 1, 2 and over here is 3. We have to consider the least number only. So I have to remove this last two digit. Clear? Now see, I am showing you. For example, see over here, this is the screen where I am showing you. 7.896 is there. I want to remove this 96. So for that, your answer should be 7.9, 7.8, but it is actually 7.9. Why? The number to be removed is greater than 5. Whenever a number to be removed is greater than 5, then you have to add 1 to it. So answer becomes 7.9. This is a rule of rounding off, which I'll be telling you now. Now, multiplication of these also is considered in the same way only. Clear? Multiplication of these is also done in the same. There is no different change. You have to do the simple multiply. See that which is having the lowest significant digit, and that you should keep it off. Now, rules of rounding off already you all know very well, but here if the confusion occur, then your answer become wrong. That is why I am telling you, if your number is greater than 5, the number to be removed is greater than 5, then you should add 1. For example, 7.394, I want to remove these both, then your answer becomes 7.4. Now if your number is less than 5, right, that is 7.321, if you remove these two 1, if you want to remove this two 1, that is in your addition answer, significant digit answer should be 1 only. Then you want to remove this 2 1, then your answer should be 7.3. Now, what happens if 5 comes? This is a question for many of the children of lower standard also, that they are telling if the number is 7.355 or I can say 356. Now these I want to remove. Then what to do? Then there are two things. See the number before 5, right? If it is even number, then keep it as it is. If it is odd, then add 1. For example, here it is odd number which is not in a table of 2, so 7.4. But if it was 7.256, then your answer should be 7.2. Clear? I am showing you one example over here of 5. 7.256, you want to remove this 5 and 6, then your answer becomes 7.2. 7.356, your answer becomes 7.4. Why? Because preceding number is odd, so add 1 to it. If 7.556, then 7.6. If 7.456, then also 7.4. This is how to convert into a single significant digit, that is after if you want only 1 point, right? This is the very basic concept of chemistry. In this form you need to write your answer whenever you are in 11th and 12th both. So take care of it. Thank you so much for watching.